What happened, Mr. Grocer? Who are you hiding from exactly?
Apparently a lion escaped from the zoo, Mr. Kanan. They say that it's been caught, but still you'll never know.
Oh, a lion, huh? How can that be possible? Also, why the umbrella? I mean, it's such great weather.
Yeah, I found a flyer at my door this morning, Mr. Kanan. There was a storm yesterday, and I took this umbrella just in case it started to rain today, too. Look, it's all written on this here.
Mutlu, this is his newspaper. I'll speak with him immediately.
What will happen about the parking problem with the airplane carriers on Daisy Street? Is something wrong, Father? What are we gonna do now? Why did we line up like this?
We're gonna play a really cool game, Mutlu. It's called the telephone game.
You whisper something into the person's ear next to you. Zuzu to Minnie, Minnie to Manny, then Manny will whisper it to me. We'll see if it comes out like it did at the start.
Okay, what shall I say? I think I got one. Super Mutlu is the strongest, bravest, and the protector hero of our neighborhood.
Super Mutlu is the strongest, brainless hero, sub, and pantry runner of our neighborhood.
Fool Mutlu is the talk of the neighborhood who eats the stinkiest food in front of a cameraman.
The last barking Doberman with an apron is Hero Mutlu, who has the perfect scent on him.
Mutlu can eat all those nice ice cream sandwiches when they melt in a bowl, just like a milkshake soup.
What? Did everybody eat all the ice cream? What will we eat then? How is it possible? Oh, this is great news for the dandy journalist. Don't stop the dandy journalist. But I didn't say anything like that. Why did my words change like that?
Because we can understand things wrong if we don't listen to something properly, just like this game. This is like what you're doing with your newspaper, Mutlu. You wrote about things that you heard with your imagination.
Did I really do that, Mom?
It was precisely like that, my dandy journalist.
Mutlu, look, I'm proud of you that you've learned how to read and write and then decided to publish a newspaper all by yourself, son. It's great. But you can't write lies in all of the newspapers, son. Look, you've got Mr. Ramin scared and he thinks there's a lion around.
But I caught the lion. You didn't read that?
It's also obvious that you heard us while we were talking about the My Life star in the newspaper, but you didn't get it exactly right. This is just like the telephone game again.
Just like the game, I see. So they haven't eaten all the ice cream yet?
How can that be possible? Why would they do that? I must have heard it totally wrong.
You need to ask and confirm what you hear all the time.
This is called a real interview.
Wait, what?
An interview, Mutlu.
That's precisely what I said, interwee. Or was it interwet? Or was it interwhere? Or come on, sis,